show you the graphic and then elaborate on it a bit. We have a soul here, which is part of a soul group, which is here. Then the yellow spiral is the psyche. The darker brownish area that is shading the psyche is the ego. And then you can see here a template for physical reality. Now what the psyche does is it projects itself onto this template for physical reality to construct an experience of a physical reality in form, which makes up its perception field. Part of the projection that is realized by the psyche becomes the conscious reflection, and the part that isn't stays as the subconsciousness. And keeping the conversion between the projection of the psyche not one-to-one with the conscious reflection, that is the responsibility of the ego. So subconsciousness is the gap between projection and conscious reflection. And the more dense the ego is, in other words, the more shaded the area of the psyche in this representation is, the bigger is the gap between projection and conscious reflection, or the bigger is the subconsciousness, and the less dense the ego is, or the less shaded the psyche is, the smaller is the subconsciousness. Similarly, this works with the soul. You can see a soul as a personality that is not bounded to any form in expressing itself, while the psyche is. Now the soul is mesmerized into a psyche, and whatever the soul feels or realizes is then communicated to the psyche, for example via intuition. And here again, the less dense the ego, the better the communication between soul and psyche, and the deeper the realization of the psyche as a soul. At last, I give you again the overview of the model. Maybe in the future I will elaborate with this model further on how classical sciences fit in, how psychology fits in, how spirituality, psychedelics fit in, and things alike. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like it.